Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online English classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. In our last class, we discussed lesson 2, The Tale of Peter Rabbit. We have already discussed the summary of this lesson. I hope all of you have read that lesson very much. And today, let us read the text and discuss the new words. All of you please get ready with your textbook. Page number 13. The Tale of Peter Rabbit. First you can see a box. Get started. It's an activity for you. Then first para. Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter were 4 little rabbits. We have already known that. They lived with their mother underneath the root of a large fir tree. Mother is saying, "Now, my dears," said the old Mrs. Rabbit one morning. What did she say? "You may go into the fields or down the lane, but don't go into Mr. McGregor's garden." So Mother Rabbit told her children that don't go to the garden of Mr. McGregor. What is the reason? Reason is your father had an accident there. Now run along and don't get into mischief. Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail, who were good little bunnies, went down the lane to gather blackberries. And what did Peter do? So here you can see blackberries. What is blackberries? It is a soft purple black fruit. You can see it in the picture. What is blackberries? A soft purple colored fruit. Soft purple black fruits, that is blackberries. Peter, who was very naughty, ran straight to Mr. McGregor's garden and squeezed under the gate. What is squeezed? Trying to get into the garden under the gate. You can see it in the picture. That is squeezed. And after that, what does Peter do? First, he ate some lettuces and some French beans and then some radishes. But So, what are the things he ate? Lettuces. What is lettuces? It is a kind of spinach. I hope all of you know this spinach. And French beans. He also ate some beans and at last some radishes. He soon fell sick. As he went to look for some parsley, whom should he meet but Mr. McGregor? So after eating all these things, what happened? Mr. Peter Rabbit felt stomach ache. So he is searching for parsley leaves. This parsley leaves is used to cure the stomach pain. But what happened? He couldn't find this parsley leaves. But at that time came Mr. McGregor. Mr. McGregor was on his knees planting cabbages. But he jumped up and ran after Peter, calling out, "Stop thief! Stop thief!" So Gregor was chasing Peter Rabbit. Turn the next page. Peter was frightened. He rushed all over the garden, for he had forgotten the way back to gate. He lost one of his shoes among the cabbages and the other shoe among the potatoes. He began to run on 4 legs. He went faster, unfortunately ran into a gooseberry net and got caught by the large brass buttons on his jacket. It was a new jacket. You can see it in the picture. What happened? He caught into a gooseberry net and his jacket. His large buttons on his jacket caught in that net. And he is unable to escape from there. He is trying hard to escape from there. What is gooseberry? It is a kind of small sour fruit. Like amla. All of you see this amla. So it looks like amla and it is sour. Okay. Peter shed big tears. Some friendly sparrows overheard his sobs. Sobs means crying silently. Like this. Like this. Deep sighs. They flew to him in great excitement and asked him to try harder, try. Mr. McGregor brought a sieve. What is sieve? Sieve is a filter. See the picture. And tried to pop it on the top of Peter. But Peter wriggled out just in time. What happened? When Gardner was trying to catch it by popping the sieve on Peter Rabbit, he tried to escape by wriggle out. What is wriggle out? Moved out by twisting and turning. What is wriggled out? Moved out by twisting and turning. Leaving his jacket behind him. So his jacket left there. He left his jacket there on the gooseberry net. He rushed into the tool shed and jumped into water can. Now he ran into the tool shed. What is tool shed? Tool shed is a shed where tools are stored. There are so many agricultural tools. These agricultural tools are stored in the tool shed. So now, where is Peter Rabbit? He is in the tool shed. Mr. McGregor was quite sure Peter was somewhere there. He looked carefully. Suddenly, Peter sneezed. Hachi! Curtis coo! Mr. McGregor was after him instantly. So, hearing the sound, Mr. McGregor was chasing him, running after Peter Rabbit. Peter jumped out of a window. The window was too small for Mr. McGregor and he was tired of running after Peter. He went back to his work. Now Peter ran out of the window and McGregor, he was so tired running after this Peter. So he went back to his work. Next page. Peter sat down to rest. He panted and trembled with fright. He did not know which way to go. Also, he was very damp with sitting in that can. So, Peter was also tired. He also wanted to rest. He was trembling with fright. Trembling and like this pant. He did not know which way to go. Also, he was very damp with sitting in that can. He was sitting in that water can. So, he was wet with water. So, what does damp mean? Damp means slightly wet. After some time, he began to wander about looking around. So, after that, he began to looking around. Where McGregor is there. He is searching for McGregor because he wants to escape. As he was looking around, a mouse was running in and out of the stone doorstep, carrying peas for her family. Peter asked her the way to the gate. She had a large pea in her mouth, so that she could not answer. She only shook her head at him. At this time, Peter began to cry. Peter now heard the noise of a hoe. Scritch, scratch, scritch. Peter darted underneath the bushes. When nothing happened, he came out, climbed upon a wheelbarrow and peeped over the edge. He saw Mr. McGregor hoeing onions. His back was turned towards Peter, and beyond him was the gate. So what happened now? Peter now heard the noise of hoe. What is hoe? It is a tool for digging the land, agricultural land. Here is the picture. So when he heard that sound, he just saw that McGregor was working there. So he suddenly climbed upon a wheelbarrow. What is wheelbarrow? What is wheelbarrow? It is a small cart used to carry things. So when he jumped there, then he began to peep over what McGregor was doing. At that time, he was able to see the gate there. Peter sneaked out of the wheelbarrow and started running as fast as he could go. So now he saw that Mr. McGregor was hoeing onions. He was hoeing onions. What is hoeing? Hoeing means digging the onions. He sneaked out of the window. He sneaked out of the wheelbarrow. What is sneaked? Moved out of the wheelbarrow and started running as fast as he can. Mr. McGregor caught sight of him. Peter did not care. He slipped underneath the gate and started running. Peter never stopped running or looked behind him till he got home to the big fir tree. So, after getting out of the garden, he never looked around. He was running and running till he reached his house under the big fir tree. He was so tired that he flopped down upon the soft floor of the rabbit hole and shut his eyes. So what happened? He was very tired. So he flopped down. Flopped down means fell down upon the soft floor of his burrow. His mother later wondered what he had done with his clothes. Now his mother wondered what he had done with his clothes. It was the second jacket and pair of shoes that Peter had lost in a fortnight. So, what happened? Peter had lost his jacket and shoes. So, mother says that it is the second time he was losing his jacket and shoes in a fortnight. What is fortnight? Fortnight means 14 days or 2 weeks. So, within 2 weeks, Peter lost his 2 jackets and shoes. Fortnight. What's the meaning of fortnight? 14 days or 2 weeks. So that's the story. So dear children, here you have to study all these new words and meanings. I will attach all these new words and meanings in our Google Classroom. Take down the notes and study the new words and meanings by writing also. And read this text very well, at least 5 times, and understand the story. It is a nice story, and if you have any doubt, you can call me. Okay, that's all for this day. Thank you.